Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Lesson 3, and we're going to read the student book. This can be found on Think Central, and our word this week is the word the. This is how we spell the word the. T-H-E, the. The word the is called an article. We use it when we're talking about objects, and sometimes you will hear your parents say, "Can you please give me the spoon?" or "Go get the pencil to write your homework." These are words that help us. It's a little word that helps us talk about an object. So this is the pencil. I have a book. Sometimes I can say, "Will you get me the book?" And this sentence is, "Do you see the puppy?" Do you see the puppy? And it's spelled T-H-E. We are going to read this story called Baby Bear's Family. And you can talk about what is in the picture. So say, "Oh, I can tell the story with just by looking at the picture." So use your imagination to tell a story about what's happening in the picture. Today is a beautiful fall day. Mama Bear is folding and hanging the laundry, and it will be very fresh and clean. Baby Bear is holding his bunny and chasing a butterfly. Papa Bear, or Daddy Bear, is out busy raking all the leaves. And Sister Bear is watering the flowers. They may go on a bike ride later. And then this caption says, "A mother bear is hanging laundry on a line. A boy bear is watering flowers. A girl bear is holding a stuffed rabbit and looking at a butterfly. A father bear is raking leaves." So you can make up your own story about this special fall day using your imagination. Baby Bear is playing hide and seek behind the bush, but the butterfly finds him. Oh, now the family finds him. Ha 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 ha. We're all laughing and having so much fun. Mama Bear and Papa Bear and Daddy Bear all like playing hide and go seek. Now here's our story called The Party. Let's see if you can read the word the on every page. And we also have our words that we already learned. I like. So let's read. And when we read, we touch every word. You can touch it with your finger, and there's a space in between each word. That's how we know that we go on to the next word. So on this page, 1, 2, 3, 4 words. There are 4 words. There's actually 3 words and 1 picture. But there's a space in between the words, and so your finger jumps to each word. The Party by Ron Kingsley, illustrated by Yvette Bannock. I like the balloons. I like the presents. I like the ball. I like the dancing. And really, I think that they like the party. So I want you to read this whole story over again, all by yourself, to a family member today. And if you had a hard time finding the word the, then do it again and point to the word the every single time. And you can practice writing it if you have chalk outside, or you can practice writing it on a board or writing it on a paper. Have a great day.